Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. And today's video is going to be a street style store haul, which is SSS haul. So here I have ordered 3 tops for $7.99, like set of 2 tops. So I have spent around 1398 rupees and have got 6 tops, which I will be reviewing now. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first top I want to talk is this one, the one that I'm wearing right now, which is very nice. Actually, it is really nice, but the only problem with this top is that here there is a string. So I thought that we can adjust this string, but we are not able to adjust it. So I have watched some hauls where people are able to adjust this string, but I'm not able to adjust it because they have given me an elastic there. So I don't have any problem with the elastic, but if you're someone who wants to adjust it, there is no guarantee that you will get that one, because some people have gotten the adjustable string and some people have gotten the elastic one. So yeah, that is the only complaint with this top. Baki though, this is wonderful. Like, this is the best top. I love this top. I literally love this top. So yeah. The second top that I'm going to talk about is this cute maroon colored top. So this is exactly as shown in the picture. And the quality, about the quality, even the black one, the quality of all these tops are very much similar. Like, there is no difference. All the tops are of the same quality and they are not too good or not too bad. They are of the moderate quality, so you cannot wear them for too long. You can just wear them for 3 or 4 hangouts and then you cannot wear them again. So the quality is like that. At least I feel that way. And this top is like really cute. The only complaint I have is there is no ruffle in the neck region. So in the picture they showed the ruffle, like they had some kind of curly wala thing, but this top is like completely plain. And one mistake what I did was I ordered this in XS. So actually my size is XS, but what happened, this top and 2 other tops are very tight, like literally very tight. I want to breathe in what I wear, but if when I wear these tops, I don't feel like I'm breathing. It is very difficult for me. So I think I'm gonna return them. I just wanna know how the return policy works. So yeah, I've ordered this in XS. So if you are someone who wants to order this top, please order 8 number zyada, because this is like really very tight for me. I want to talk about is this white colored top. This white colored top with 3 buttons and V-neck, which is very beautiful. Like really this is the most beautiful top. I loved this top. I literally did. This is very beautiful and I have no complaints with. Okay, yeah, I do have a complaint that this material is completely see-through. Like, yeah, it is very see-through. The material is very thin, and because the top is white, it is even more obvious that the top is see-through. So if you pair it up with some nice lingerie, you can ace it. But I literally love this top. The quality is like very bad. The quality is literally very bad, but the pattern and everything is so cute. I can wear 1 or 2 times, and yeah, it is very nice. And for the price I paid, this is absolutely worth it. this is so small. I'm so upset with this top. I had like really high expectations with this top, so I literally loved this. I just wanted this to work out, but it did not. So I'm gonna return this and see if I get a big size in this. This is a bang on. Like I'm telling you, if I get so. The way it fits me, it is pretty tight. I cannot really breathe in this top, but if I get it exchanged, I feel like I may ace this top. So I really like this top, but I have ordered like very small size. It is XS. I'm not liking this, so I'm gonna just return it and get a bigger size. We're going to talk about is this white top, turtleneck, this white turtleneck top. Oh my god, this top is to die for. It fits so properly, so nicely. You look so great in this. I just can't stop appreciating how good this top is. But yes, there is a but, and that but is this is completely see-through, so you're gonna have to, like, do your adjustments with this. I have seen people ordering different colors in this top and they are not see-through. I feel that this is see-through only because I have ordered white in color. Both my white tops are see-through, so I just think it is because of the white color, and if I pair it up with some nice lingerie, I can ace it again. So yeah, I really love this top. Size is perfect. The size is XS only. Yeah, this is one size actually, XS, S and medium, and maybe that is the reason why this fits me. I'm just loving this top. It is love. It is the top. It is a top to die for. So yeah, I really love this top, and you should go give it a try. Now the last top for today is this top. I don't know, I'm not so sure how I'm gonna show this to you, but it is like this, and I just didn't like this actually. I was a bit ambiguous when I was ordering this top. I was not so sure. Like, I was really skeptical about this top even before ordering. I just took a chance, which didn't work out for me. Maybe if I get a bigger size, it may work for me, but I really didn't like the pattern or design or the way it fits. So yeah, it is a no for me. But if you guys like it, you can go buy it because the quality is as same as this top. All the clothes are exactly of the same quality here. If you like this pattern, you can go and get it, but I personally did not like this. The thing is that they don't have a return policy with them. They only have the exchange. So I think I'm gonna go get that exchanged to a bigger size and then see what happens. But for now, I'm not liking the top, not even the pattern. But if you are someone who likes that pattern, the quality is like, it is of the same quality as the other tops, so you can go and get it. There is no issue. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there as well.